Tired of waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps? Or struggling with muscle stiffness that makes moving around a challenge? Good news! The right foods can relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop cramps before they start. In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and maintain better mobility. So stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Barbara ONeill Health Tips. Let's kick things off with a fiery superfood cayenne pepper. This potent spice isn't just for adding a kick to your dishes. It also boasts incredible health benefits, especially for seniors prone to leg cramps. Cayenne pepper's secret weapon is capsaicin, a compound that does wonders for your circulatory system. Capsaicin stimulates blood flow by promoting the release of nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator. Think of it as a key that unlocks your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This relaxed state of your blood vessels means better circulation throughout your body, delivering much-needed oxygen and nutrients to those hard-working leg muscles. And remember, improved circulation is the cornerstone of reducing those painful leg cramps, especially the ones that like to sneak up on you at night. But cayenne pepper's benefits don't stop at improving circulation. Capsaicin also acts as a natural pain reliever. It does this by targeting substance P, a neurotransmitter that's responsible for sending pain signals to the brain. By depleting substance P, capsaicin essentially intercepts those pain messages, providing relief. So, not only does cayenne pepper help prevent cramps, but it can also step in to soothe those aches and pains if they do happen. Adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals is an easy and delicious way to spice things up and reap these benefits. You can sprinkle it on soups, stews, eggs, or even your morning smoothie. If you're not a fan of the heat, start small and gradually increase the amount as you get used to the flavor. Next up, we have a classic for a reason: bananas. These potassium-rich fruits are a must-have for seniors looking to prevent leg cramps. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels dip too low, a condition called hypokalemia, muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. This is because potassium helps transmit the electrical signals that tell your muscles to contract and relax. Without enough potassium, those signals can get scrambled, leading to uncontrolled muscle contractions, what we call cramps. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium, with one medium banana providing about 12% of your daily needs. By enjoying a banana a day, you can help maintain healthy potassium levels, which in turn helps regulate muscle contractions, prevent those painful spasms, and ensure smooth communication between your nerves and muscles. But bananas aren't just about potassium. They also provide a good dose of magnesium, another key player in muscle relaxation and nerve function. Magnesium works by calming overexcited muscles, preventing them from going into spasm. Think of it as a natural muscle relaxant. And because dehydration is a common culprit behind muscle cramps, bananas offer another advantage: hydration. Their natural sugars and water content contribute to your overall fluid intake, helping you stay hydrated and cramp-free. As a bonus, bananas also deliver a healthy dose of vitamin B6, which is essential for nerve health. Vitamin B6 helps regulate neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that control muscle movements, ensuring smooth and coordinated muscle function. Generally, 1 banana per day is enough to support muscle health, but if you experience frequent cramps, 2 bananas might be beneficial. However, if you have diabetes, it's best to consume bananas in moderation and pair them with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to avoid blood sugar spikes. While bananas and leafy greens are well known for their potassium and magnesium content, nuts and seeds are another fantastic source of these cramp-preventing minerals, and they bring even more to the table. Let's take a closer look at why these tiny nutritional powerhouses are so beneficial for preventing leg cramps. First off, let's talk about magnesium. This mighty mineral is absolutely crucial for muscle relaxation and proper nerve function. If you're not getting enough magnesium in your diet, your muscles can become overly excitable, leading to those painful cramps and spasms. Think of magnesium as a calming influence on your muscles, helping them to relax and stay loose. And when it comes to magnesium-rich foods, nuts and seeds are at the top of the list. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds provides a whopping 40% of your daily magnesium needs. That's a significant boost in just a small handful. Almonds are another excellent choice, offering about 20% of your daily magnesium needs per ounce. But they don't stop there. Almonds are also a good source of potassium, making them a double threat against muscle cramps. Cashews are another great option for boosting your magnesium intake, providing around 19% of your daily needs per ounce. Plus, they contain healthy fats that support good circulation, ensuring those leg muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Speaking of potassium, don't forget about pistachios. These vibrant green nuts are one of the best sources of potassium you can find, offering a substantial 290 milligrams per ounce. That's almost as much as a banana. So, if you're looking for a tasty and convenient way to boost your potassium levels, pistachios are a great choice. But the benefits of nuts and seeds don't stop at minerals. They also offer a wealth of healthy fats, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your muscles. Inflammation is a common contributor to muscle soreness and cramping, especially after exercise or if you have conditions like arthritis. Walnuts, for example, are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating walnuts into your diet, you can help keep inflammation at bay and reduce your risk of muscle cramps. Almonds and cashews also contribute to healthy blood flow thanks to their monounsaturated fats. These fats help improve circulation, ensuring that your muscles receive a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, which is essential for preventing cramps. And let's not forget about the protein. Nuts and seeds are a good source of protein, which is the building block of muscles. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, so if you're active or recovering from an injury, including nuts and seeds in your diet can help support your muscles and prevent cramps caused by muscle fatigue or weakness. To recap, some of the best nuts and seeds for preventing leg cramps include pumpkin seeds, highest in magnesium; almonds, excellent source of magnesium and potassium; pistachios, packed with potassium; cashews, high in magnesium and healthy fats; walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids for reducing inflammation; flax seeds, a great source of omega-3s and fiber; chia seeds, high in fiber and also provide some magnesium and potassium. A small handful, about 1 ounce of nuts per day, is a good target. You can also sprinkle seeds, flax, chia, pumpkin on your meals for an added boost. If you're a senior struggling with leg cramps, these 3 superfoods can make a real difference. Cayenne pepper boosts circulation and relieves pain. Bananas provide potassium and magnesium, and nuts and seeds offer a variety of cramp-preventing nutrients. Remember to stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet, and consult your doctor if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future topics. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.